Did you just buy a Ring doorbell? Don't pay a professional to install it. I'll show you how to do it yourself in 10 minutes with this DIY setup guide. Inside the box, you'll find a device, a battery, and most importantly, this orange screwdriver. Don't lose it. Step 1. Before you do anything else, plug the battery in. You cannot set this up with a dead battery, so let it charge first. Wait until that little light turns solid green, indicating a full charge. While you wait, grab your phone. Download the Ring Always Home app and create your account. Verify your email now so you are ready for the next steps. Open the app and tap Set up a device, then select Doorbells. The app will ask you to scan a code. Flip your doorbell over and scan the QR square on the back. Now, connect to Wi-Fi. Here's a pro tip. If you have a dual-band router, always pick the 2.4 GHz network. The 2.4 GHz network has better range and gets through outside walls much better than the faster 5 GHz networks. It's time to mount the doorbell. The ideal height is 48 inches off the ground, which is about chest height. Do not mount it too high, or you'll miss faces and packages left on the ground. Mark your 4 holes. If you're drilling into brick or stucco, use the included drill bit and anchors for proper mounting. Once the mounting bracket is screwed in, pop your charged battery in and snap the faceplate cover on. Finally, grab that orange screwdriver and tighten the tiny security screw at the very bottom to lock it down. Push the button to test it, and you're done. Subscribe for more easy smart home guides.